This video lesson will teach you how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide trigonometric functions. So, marami nagtatanong, paano ba ina-add pag sine plus sine? Paano ina-add ang sine plus cosine? Paano nag-multiply? Paano nag-divide? Paano nag-subtract? So, actually, the same lang naman siya as you manipulate algebraic expressions. Same lang siya. Ang pinagkaiba lang talaga, you will change your variable into trigonometric function. So, simulan natin sa addition. So, let's have addition. Iko-compare ko ang operation in terms of algebraic expression tapos sa trigonometric expressions naman. Paano ba tayo nag-a-add? Ayan. So, in algebraic expression, iba you have x plus x. You have x plus x is equal to 2x. Diba ganyan tayo? Since like terms ang x, ang ina-add lang natin dyan is the numerical coefficient. Siyempre, 1 ang meron tayo dyan. So, automatically, 1 plus 1, that is 2. And simply copy the same variable, which is x. So, 2x na siya. Ganun lang kasimple, diba? But, in trigonometric expression, na makikita mo dyan is yung sine, cosine, tangent, and its inverse. So, like for example, you have sine theta plus sine theta. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, pag ganito ang case, like terms sila, diba? So, like terms ang sine theta tapos sine theta. So, ibig sabihin, pwede ko siyang i-add. Parehas lang din siya ng algebraic expression na meron siyang numerical coefficient sa unahan niya. Pag wala kang nakita, ibig sabihin meron niyang 1. So, yun lang i-add natin. So, we have 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. And simply copy the same function na meron ka, that is sine theta. So, the final answer is 2 sine theta. So, ganun lang siya. O, kung lalagyan mo siya ng 2x plus x, diba that is 3x? Diba? Kung meron ka ditong 2 sine theta plus sine theta, o like term sila, para silang sine theta. So, ang i-add mo lang dyan yung numerical coefficient, 2 plus 1, that is 3. Copy mo lang yung same nilang sine theta. Yan na yun. Ito na yung pinakasum niya. Eh, how about xy plus xy? That is, since like terms ulit sila, numerical coefficient lang i-add mo. 1 plus 1, that is 2. And then, copy mo lang yung same variables nila, xy. So, yan ang kanyang sum. E, paano naman sa trigonometric expressions? Kung meron kang sine theta, cosine theta, plus sine theta, cosine theta, pag in-add mo yan, since, ayan, pareha sila, diba? So, ibig sabihin, pwede mo i-add. Ang i-add mo lang dyan is numerical coefficient ulit. Ibig sabihin, 1 plus 1, that is 2. And then, copy mo lang yung same nilang functions na meron ka, that is sine theta, cosine theta. Yan ang kanyang sum. So, ganun lang yan. Eh, how about this one? Let's have x plus y. O, magkaiba sila ng variable. Ibig sabihin, pag in-add mo yan, x plus y pa din. Hindi mo naman sila pwedeng combine kasi unlike terms sila. Ganon din yan kapag functions ang meron ka. Like for example, you have sine theta plus cosine theta. Ang sum mo dyan, ganun din. Sine theta plus cosine theta. Kasi hindi mo yan pwedeng makombine. Eh, how about this one? You have x squared plus x. Ayan, pwede mo ba yan i-combine or i-add? Pag in-add mo yan, hindi mo pwedeng i-combine si x, ito, at saka ito. Kasi unlike terms din sila. Ang sagot mo din dyan is x squared plus x lang din. Same as, kapag may given ka ng sine squared theta plus sine theta, hindi yan magiging sine cube. Hindi mo sila pwedeng pagsamahin kasi hindi naman sila like term. So, ang magiging sum dyan is sine squared theta plus sine theta. Yun ang sagot dyan. Let's have subtraction. So, this one is for the algebraic expression and this part is for the trigonometric expression. So, x minus x, same lang din naman ang addition and subtraction. Ang i-subtract mo lang is the numerical coefficient and copy the same variable. In this case, alam natin na meron yan dyang 1, di ba? As numerical coefficient. And like term sila kasi meron silang same variable which is x with the same exponent which is 1. Sabihin, 1 minus 1 that is 0. Since 0 yan, hindi mo na kailangan copy. 0 nga, di ba? And for trigonometric expression, cosine theta minus cosine theta, automatically it becomes 0 kasi you have positive and then negative, cancel na yan. Cancel na, magiging 0 na yan. Okay, next, 3xy minus 2xy. In this case, meron tayong same variables with the same exponent. So, like terms yan. Pwede kang mag-subtract. Ano lang ang isusubtract natin? Ang sinusubtract lang natin dito is the numerical coefficient. So, 3 minus 2, that is 1. And then, copy the same variable. So, xy. Since 1 ang ating numerical coefficient, hindi na kailangan isulat ang 1. So, the final answer now is xy. And, sa trigonometric expressions naman, ayan, we have 3 cosine theta sine theta minus 2 cosine theta sine theta. Since similar sila, we have cosine theta, sine theta, parehas sila with the same exponent, ibig sabihin like terms yan. Pwede kang mag-subtract. Ang i-subtract mo pa rin dyan is numerical coefficient lang. That is 1. And copy mo lang yung same functions na meron ka. Cosine theta, sine theta. Since that is 1, no need to write that one. So, final answer mo na lang is cosine theta, sine theta. So, ito na ang ating final answer. And how about this one? You have x squared minus x. In this case, we have x squared, we have x. Hindi yan sila parehas, diba? Kasi, para sabi natin like terms, if we have the same variable with the same exponent, in this case, ito naka-squared, ito, 1 lang ang exponent niya. So, ibig sabihin, pag sinubtract mo yan, ganito pa rin ang kanyang difference. So, ito ang final answer niyan. The same din ang gagawin mo kapag functions yung given. So, in this case, since cosine squared theta mo is naka-squared, ibig sabihin, hindi yan ka-like terms nito. Pag sinubtract mo siya, ganito pa din yan, minus cosine theta. Yan pa din ang final answer niyan. Okay, let's have multiplication. And for example number, we have x times x. And we all know that that is equal to x squared. Kasi diba, you have an exponent ng yan, 1. Ang ginagawa natin is to simply copy the same variable and then add the exponent. So, the 1 plus 1, that is 2. That's why it's x squared. Pag functions na yung given, ganun din ang gagawin natin. Parang ang nangyari lang naman is, yung variable mo, napalitan lang ng mga functions. So, in this case, we have sine theta times sine theta. So, sulat natin ng sine. Ang exponent, hindi nilalagay sa theta or dun sa angle. Directly mo siya ilalagay dun mismo sa function. Kaya siya ay nagiging sine squared theta. So, yan ang product niya. Take note ha, ilalagay ang exponent dun mismo sa upper right ng ating function. Okay, this one, 2x squared times 3x. The same with multiplication ng numbers natin. So, ang ginagawa natin, times lang natin, numerical coefficient, we have 3 times 2, that is 6. And then, yung variables natin, yan, and then add their exponent, we have 1. So, 2 plus 1, that is 3. So, final answer is 6x cubed. Pag functions na yung given, multiply mo lang kung meron kang given na numerical coefficient. So, that 2 times 3, that is 6. And then, yung sign natin, ayan, para silang sign, i-add mo lang ang kanilang exponents. So, you have 2 plus 1, that is 3. And then, copy the theta. So, the final answer now is 6 sine cube theta. So, yan nating product. In this case. So, you have x squared times x squared. So, Same variable, kopyahin lang, and then add the exponents. 2 plus 2, that is 4. So, x raised to 4. So, ganun din dito. This one is sin raised to 4 theta. Okay, this one, x times y. Magkaiba ang ating variable. So, ibig sabihin, hindi natin pwedeng i-add ang kanilang exponents. So, meaning, ang product natin yan ay x, y lang din. Pinagtabi lang natin sila. So, ganoon din ang gagawin mo dun sa function sa meron ka. Sin theta times cosine theta. Ang final answer niyan is sin theta cosine theta. Let's have division. So, example number 1, we have x divided by x. In division, di ba, pwede ka lang mag-subtract ng exponent kapag same variable. Since we have x and then x, same variable tayo. And we all know that ang exponent nila ay 1. So, simply copy the same variable and then subtract the exponent. 1 minus 1, that is 0. And that is equal to 1. Kasi diba, according sa math, any number, any variable raised to 0, that is equal to 1. So, ang quotient natin is 1. The same lang yan kapag functions ang given. Sin theta divided by sin theta. Same silang sign, so ibig sabihin, pwede tayo mag-subtract ng exponents. Alam natin na exponents nila ay 1. So, copy lang natin ang sin theta. And then, 1 minus 1, that is 0. So, we have sin raised to 0 theta. And since naka-reach sa 0, that is equal to 1. So, yan ang ating final answer. Next is x cubed divided by x squared. Same variable x. So, pwedeng mag-subtract. Copy the same variable x. 3 minus 2, that is 1. Kapag 1 ang ating exponent, no need to write. So, ibig sabihin, ang ating final answer is x. So, let's have the trigonometric expression. So, sin cube theta divided by sin squared theta. Para silang sin. Ibig sabihin, pwede mo i-subtract ang kanilang exponent. So, copy natin ang sin theta, and then 3 minus 2, that is 1. Since that is 1, no need to write. So, ang final answer na lang natin is sin theta. So, yan ang ating final answer. How about x over y? Hindi sila same variable. So, ibig sabihin, hindi mo pwedeng subtract ang kanilang exponent. So, ang final answer pa rin dyan is x over y. Kapag functions naman ang given, sin theta divided by cosine theta, ibig sabihin, ganito pa rin yan. Sin theta over cosine theta. Yan ang ating final answer. So, what if ganito ang given? You have x squared y over x, y. So, di ba ang case dyan, same variable. Same variable, pwede kong subtract ang kanilang exponent. So, ito, 2 minus 1. So, that is x raised to 1. So, x na lang. Y and then y, yan ay makakancel. So, it becomes 1. So, final answer mo na lang is x. Pag yan ay naging functions, like for example, you have sin squared theta, cosine theta, divided by sin theta, cosine theta. Ayan, same, para silang sign. Ito, i-minus ko dito. So, ang natira na lang dyan ay sin theta. Ito, pwede ko nang makancel. So, magiging 1 na yan. So, yung final answer mo is sin theta na lang. So, ganun mag-divide.